Hi everybody, my name is Ricardo Lanz and I'm a teacher of the philosophy department. I'm going to explain the main lines of this course that is available to you next school year. The course is divided in three big thematic areas: knowledge, human being and practical philosophy. The first term we will have a look at knowledge, and then inside knowledge we will start just giving a historical approach of the origin of philosophy in ancient Greece. And also we will learn the sense and the necessity of philosophy nowadays as well. Also, we will examine and compare the different types of knowledge that we can learn. Myths, philosophy, science, art, religions, and we will go on with a critical approach of scientific and knowledge and technology. At the end, we will have a look at the problem of reality, and maybe we will use one of the good films that are connected with this important subject. In the second term, we will have a look at the subject of the human being, and here the idea is to know a little bit more about our species, about ourselves. We will take a look at the most important characteristics of our species, not only physical, but also cultural, as language, the use of tools, technology, living in society, etc. And to finish with this term, we will take a look at the problem of globalization and also the most important problem, that is a culture clash that appears in our multicultural societies. Now in the third term, we'll have a look at practical philosophy in the two most important fields, ethics and politics. In ethics, we will study some ethical theories provided by some important philosophers, and then we will try to make them useful by applying them in our lives. And also, to finish with that, if we have enough time at the end of the course, we will try to study some politics. In this subject, we will try to make some concepts clear, like society, the origin of society, state, liberalism, socialism, democracy, and human rights. Regarding methodology, it's important to underline that the tasks that will be suggested will be very active and participatory. And also we will use different assessment tools. We won't use only one exam in each term. We will use different tools along the whole term, like exams, essays, projects, presentations, individuals or in groups, questionnaires, etc. It's important to consider that the student autonomy is very necessary in this subject, because we're going to use different resources like online information, online dictionaries, internet information, etc. Also, we will use electronic tools and devices very much, like Google Drive, Gmail, PowerPoint, etc. Requirements. I would like you to advise that a very good level of English is necessary for this course, because it's all the resources, all the tests, all the videos, all the materials we're going to use are going to be in English, all the exercises as well. And also students are supposed to be very hardworking and able to work independently. The assessment is going to be carried out in this way, and every student will be assessed in these three items. At the attitude, which will have a value of 10%. Exams will be theoretical and practical, in two parts. There will be 70% of the global mark and projects. Projects are class work or homework done individually or in groups, and the value for this item will be 20%.
Nik urte honetan filo inglesez eman dut, eta benetan dinotzuet hizkuntza honetan zailtasun handirik ez badeko zuz, ez dala inolako arazorik egongo. Gainera beti egongo da laguntza zerbait ulertzen ez bada, azalpenak emoteko edo galderak egiteko, beti egongo da laguntza euskeraz, beti. Orduan hori ez da arazo bat izen bihar, eta azken finean da ikasgai bat pentsetako. Ze esan behar da noski beste ikasgai batzuetan bai pentsetan dela, baina beste modu automatiko edo teknikoago baten. Ze azkenean da zeozer ikastie eta aplikatzie. Baina ikasgai honetan da benetan zure burua funtzionamentuan jartzen. Bizitzari buruzko gauzak ikasten diez, planteamendu desberdinak egiten diez, gauzak beste modu baten ikusten diez, eta hori brutala da. Planteatzen dozuz gauzak benetan ez zenituela planteatu harin hau. Eta emondu guzgaiak adibidez freedom, happiness, wild children, eta izen diz gaiak super guaiak, benetan ez dut spoiler handirik egin nahi, baina ezki, pentsetan dozuz gauzak oso guai diezenak. Eta gainera horri gehitzen diozu, ingelesez emoten zabizela eta azkenien aztien 3 ordu gehiago zabizela inglesa lantzen, azkenien, belarrize gehiago egiten jatzu, zuk gehiago hitz egiten duzu eta jakin zelako garrantzia dekon inglesa gure gizartean gaur egun, benetan dinotzuet oso aukeraketa ona izen aldala. Nik, esperientzia gaitik dinotzuet, ez nazela da mutu, eta zuek bezariela da mutuko.
When thinking about philosophy, we sometimes assume that it can be a little bit boring. Instead, this year I have discovered that philosophy is a very interesting subject. We have learned a lot in an easy way. We have had discussions and bond as a class, thanks to philosophy, no matter how different opinions we have.